Welcome to another episode of The Tech Experience. I am your host, James Setzer, and here at The Tech Experience, we focus on helping close the digital divide. And we do that by teaching you how to become better with technology. We have another great episode for you today. We'll be talking about Google Drive and we'll be highlighting key features from this wonderful application. All right, so let's jump right into the demo. All right. So Google Drive has a lot of key features that you can take advantage of, but we won't go through them all today. I'll just highlight a few, starting with the first. And actually, the first one isn't really a feature, just something worth noting. So with the Google Drive account, you do get 15 gigabytes of free storage, which is or can be extremely useful. If you do need more storage, you can buy more, and I'll show you how to do that. So if you want to view how much storage you've actually consumed with this account, you can click on the hamburger icon or the three-line icon in the top left, and you can see at the bottom there, it shows you how much storage you've consumed versus how much storage is associated with the current account that you're on, right? So it gives you that nice visual snapshot there. And then also, if you need more storage, as I mentioned, you can buy storage by clicking the buy storage button. And you can see the different plans here laid out by Google. You can choose to either do a monthly plan or an annual plan, depending on your particular situation. So you do have the option to do that. All right. So now I quickly want to show you guys how to collaborate with others, how to share files or folders with people. So in order to do that, for this demo, we'll just share an individual file. You click on the three dots beside the file, you click share, and then you have to enter a valid email address. You can choose the level of access, right? And then you do have the option to notify people or to tailor a specific message for them. So you do have that option as well. So once you hit send and it goes through, now you have officially shared the file or the folder with the person or the group of people that you have specifically laid out within the application. So if you want to modify someone's access, you click on the same three dots and you go to manage access. And now you just click on the individual that you would like to modify the access for. And you can either modify the access or you can even remove the access, right? So now that file or that folder is no longer shared with that individual. Right, so you have that option as well. All right, the next thing that I want to show you guys is you have the ability to make files viewable when you're offline. So you simply click on the three dots here and you can see on the fourth option down there, it says make available offline. You simply click that. And now whenever you're not connected to the internet, you have the ability to view this file even offline. So that's a great feature to have, especially if you live out in rural areas where you may often lose connectivity. That's a great feature to have. Okay. So the next feature that I want to show you guys is you can actually scan images and convert them to PDFs directly from the Google Drive application. So if you click the plus sign at the bottom right, you see it has an option that says scan. You simply press scan, right? Scan the document or the photo, the image, whatever it is you're scanning. You accept the changes, and now you have the ability to make modifications. You can, you know, edit. You can add color, color drawing. You can do different things there. You can crop
the photo if needed. Right. So you have a lot of functions there to make it pretty. Okay. And once you're okay, you hit next. You can see it's generating the PDF. And now you can name it to whatever you would like. We'll name it testing PDF. You can also choose the drive location, right? So if you have a specific drive location, you can choose that. You also have the ability to associate it with another account. So you have that flexibility there within the application. All right, so we're going to hit save, and then I'm going to give it a few seconds. Okay, and then we're going to refresh. And you can see there at the top that it has been added directly into Google Drive, which is a very neat feature. All right, so two more things that I'll mention. So one, you actually have the ability to integrate with other applications. So there's a lot of applications that collaborate, especially collaboration tools that you can utilize and integrate directly with Google Drive if you choose to do so. And the last thing that I'll mention is that you actually have the ability to build your own application and take advantage of the functionality within Google Drive. And you can do that by accessing Google Drive's APIs, right? So many people may not know what that means. API is simply an application program interface, and it gives you the ability to leverage functionality from someone else's platform. So in this case, we can leverage Google Drive's functionality within our own application. So that's just a quick tip for anyone that may be interested in building applications. You can build your own app and take advantage of the functionality and the features within Google Drive. So definitely keep that in
All
mind.
right. So that is all for today's episode. Many key features that you can take advantage of when it comes to Google Drive. I personally use Google Drive on a daily basis, so I'm sure that you can find some value in utilizing this application in whatever setting you're in, whether it's a business setting or if it's for your own personal use. I'm sure you can find some value. All right, with that being said, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any specific applications that you would like us to teach on, or if you have any general questions, you can use the link in the description and it'll take you directly to our website where you can fill out the questionnaire and submit any questions directly to us. All right, be blessed.